you.
Here come two. We're going
To
to
the zoo.
How
How about you?
say
Hello, Zed.
hi?
Let's do a zoo animals puzzle. Yes? Can you say puzzle?
Puzzle.
You like animals?
Yes.
Do you want to go to the zoo?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do the zoo animal puzzle. Look, it's a tree. We need trees because animals eat leaves.
And the Toucan
And look, this is an
eagle.
eagle.
And the Toucan
It's a toucan bird. And I see a giraffe here.
and it's hard in the face.
Yes, look. It's a giraffe's eyes and a giraffe's long neck. So I see a giraffe now. And do you see the penguin?
Yes.
Penguin. And oh my god, look at this. What is this?
That's not a bear.
It's a bear. It's a black bear here.
There is penguin.
Yes, there is a small penguin. And where is the bear's tummy? Here. Here is the bear's body. And what else do we have here?
A hippo.
Hippo? Oh, look at the hippopotamus. Hippo?
What hippo?
Look at the hippo.
And look at this.
The hippo is in the water. He's taking a bath.
And crocodile is water.
Yes, there is a crocodile here. And look, I found the crocodile's face. Yay, look at the crocodile. Oh, where is the other eye?
And there is.
Here is the crocodile's other eye. Look at the crocodile. The crocodile is smiling. He is also in the water. The hippo is also in the water.
And the penguin is water.
Yes, no. The penguin is also in the water. Yes. And now comes the
Lion.
lion.
Yes.
Okay, here is it. I see the lion's nose. And where is the lion's head? Woo! The lion is sleeping.
A lion sleeping.
Yes, his eyes are closed. And I found the lion's nose. And what does the lion say?
Roar.
Roar, roar. Yeah.
And
Do you
crocodile.
like lion?
Yeah. And bear growl.
Yes, the bear growls.
And crocodile so jump.
Okay. Chomp, chomp, chomp.
And the hippo go rumble.
Rumble, rumble. Yes. Now, oh look. What is this?
That's Peacock.
Peacock. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
And I see
Zebra.
zebra here. Where is the zebra's body?
There is.
Yes, the zebra is also sleeping. It's nap time for them.
And there's still a zebra.
Those are the zebra's legs. And there's this monkey's ear here. Whoa, I found a monkey. And look, Z-O-O. What is that? Zoo.
Helmet.
There's a zookeeper. This is a zookeeper. What is the zookeeper doing? He's sweeping.
And there's back.
Yes, that is the zookeeper's rest of the body. And there is a bucket. Look, the zookeeper is sweeping.
And
Cleaning the zoo. I saw an elephant head.
it's honey.
Oh, is it honey in the bucket?
Yeah.
The zookeeper is giving honey to the bear. The bear likes to eat honey. And look, the monkey. And here we go. What is this?
And
It's the elephant.
a lion.
Yes.
There's the eyes closed. There's the eyes closed.
lion and the zebra, they are taking a nap.
Hey, the butterfly.
Is that a butterfly there?
No.
And look, we have the elephant. So we have the eagle, giraffe,
And bear.
and penguin.
And hippo. And crocodile.
It's an alligator.
Alligator.
Oh, we have a small mouse.
A small mouse.
Yes, and an elephant, and a lion, and a peacock, and a monkey who's sitting on top of the elephant.
And zebra.
Yes, zebra. Yay! Look at all the zoo animals. You did it. You did the whole puzzle. Thumbs up. Time for thumbs up. Yay, thumbs up. Boxing, 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 boxing. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Let's see the whole puzzle like this. Closer. Look at the puzzle. It's a zebra, a peacock,
And bear. Alligator. Hippo. Eagle. Lion. Giraffe. Penguin.
yes,
And peacock.
and yes, you told them all. Bye-bye, zoo.
Look, it's more mouse.
Ah, yes, we forgot about the mouse, the little one. You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Going to the zoo.
You. How about
You.
We're coming
To
we're going
to the zoo. How about you?
See the elephant. Truck. Trucking and the truck. And in the water. Truck. You can see all day. We're going
To the zoo. How about you? You can come too. Going to the zoo. Bye-bye.